Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to crack author's tone and attitude in RC. One of those areas where students feel the answer but can't justify it. You read the passage and think, author is kind of negative or maybe neutral, and then you get confused between options like critical, skeptical, cautious, analytical. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple framework to identify tone in one careful read. Think of tone as the author's attitude towards the subject. Do they support it? Do they criticize it? Are they just explaining it? Are they worried, hopeful, sarcastic, or angry? The tone is not about what the author is talking about, but how they talk about it. In CUET, tone answers are usually subtle, not loud or dramatic. So don't look for extremes like furious or ecstatic unless the language is really strong. To keep it simple in the exam, group tones into three broad buckets: positive/supportive, negative/critical, and neutral, analytical, descriptive. Your first job is not to choose between sarcastic and skeptical. Your first job is to decide, is the tone positive, negative, or neutral? Once you fix the bucket, choosing the exact word becomes much easier. Tone hides inside adjectives, adverbs, and verbs of judgment. Consider these two sentences. The policy has led to several unintended and damaging consequences. Words like unintended, damaging indicate a negative or critical tone. The policy has led to several remarkable improvements in public health. Words like remarkable, improvements indicate a positive or appreciative tone. Author's attitude is rarely hidden in data sentences like, the policy was implemented in 2015. It is usually revealed in value statements like, the policy was a short-sighted response to a complex issue. While reading, underline or mentally note adjectives and judgment words. They are your tone indicators. Sometimes, the author starts neutrally but then switches using contrast words like however, but, yet, although, despite, on the other hand. These words often introduce the author's real opinion. So, don't decide the tone after the first paragraph. Wait for the however moments. That's where the true attitude is revealed. To summarize, tone equals author's attitude, not just the topic. Use adjectives, judgment words, and contrast markers to detect it. First pick the bucket, positive, negative, or neutral. Then choose the closest label.